Hello and welcome to the Wooter Platform demo. In this demo, I will show you how you can manage your league, team and tournament with Wooter, how you can handle payments for player and team registrations, how you can schedule games and track stats in real time for those, how you can get a professional website and your own custom app in the App Store for both iOS and Android, where your players get to interact with each other and they get their own profiles, plus the tools to make money with Wooter. Here in our homepage, you will be able to see more details about all our features directly. In this demo, I will go directly and show you all the features that we will have, so you can see them by yourself, the whole power of Wooter. I will show you how everything looks from one of our customers. From there, you will be able to see all by yourself. So I will log in directly to one account from one of our customers. That is the Branson League. It's one league that is in Baltimore that uses our software, and they already have a lot of data and a lot of players, so it will be easy to see everything from this league because everything is already set up. So yeah, this is the main dashboard from where you will get after you sign up. So from here you will have the options to create unlimited leagues, teams and tournaments, and inside those you will be able to have unlimited seasons. So yeah, for every league, team and tournament, you can have as many seasons as you want, and each of those as well unlimited. So once you create your league, you can go and manage it. This is how it looks, the manage platform panel, let's say, where all this changes the moment that you change the season. So right now they have one season, so this is how it looks. But the moment that you create another season, so the teams will be totally different, players as well. Everything will change the moment that you change one season. So from this season, here you have the teams tab. This is the first one from where we start, and we can create unlimited teams. We have two ways to add teams. One is through the add teams model, where we require a name and the logo for this team. You can add as many as you want from here, or you can import them to make it more easy. So you can create them in an Excel file and then get that CSV file and import it right here. And you can you can group those teams in divisions if that's a requirement for your league. Once you have that done, you move on to the players. So here the players, we have three ways to add them to your season or to your league or tournament or team. One way is through this model that we require first name. First name is actually the only thing that is mandatory, but we recommend to add the email because this way we will actually send an email to the person, and we will create an account for them. So that will give them the ability to set their own profile, to set their information like the height, weight, biography, school. So yeah, this is very important that it's set up, their phone number and more information. So this is one way to do it, one by one manually, or again, you have the option to do it through a CSV file where you can import them right here, or we offer like an option to give the players the ability to join by themselves. So you have two ways to do that. Either one is through this link that you can share it, or the other is through your company page that I will show you later. In here, you have an option extra to accept payments with us. So through Wooter, you are allowed to get money from these players or teams directly into your bank account. Here will be the verification process. You will need to put all this data and your bank information, and it will take up to 3 days for us to verify. We use a Stripe. So Stripe is the payment processor that we use. Once Stripe approves your account, you will be allowed to collect payments from players or teams. So yeah, this way you will be able to create teams and players and introduce them into your season. Once you have those, you can move to the schedule and games, and you can create either an event. So event is basically a practice or a party, or any kind of event that you want to make. This will be shown in your website and in the mobile app, and you can select the venue, any players that will be participating or teams, and some instructions. So this might be interesting for the coaches. I mean, we have the option to give permissions to coaches, so they manage only their team and they can set up practices. Like this is something very common that our customers do. So yeah, one way is to add the events, but the most important is to add the games. So the games are composed by two teams. So you select the home team and the visiting team and the game venue. So the venue, you can have unlimited venues as well, or just one where you can play weekly. So you set up the venue, all the information, the date and the time, and that way you create the game. Once you have create the game, you have two options to add the stats. Right now, I will show you how you can do it from this website, but we have another option that is to do it through a mobile app that shows you all the values of the games in real time. So this is one way to do it. This league in particular is for basketball, so you will see all the stats that are for basketball, but at the moment we support 8 sports. So the moment that the moment that you create a league, team or tournament with any other sport, the stats will be different, and also the way we calculate the standings, the algorithm itself will change depending on the sport. At the moment we support football, flag football, soccer, volleyball, hockey, I think it's baseball and softball. And we are introducing now tennis, and upcoming will be rugby as well. So yeah, with this one you see here for basketball, and the way you can do it is this checkbox selects the players that are playing on this game. So if the player is unselected, these stats will not be used for his averages. So the players that are selected are those playing. And here is the second team. So this is like let's say a manual version to do it, and it's not working in real time. This is always good to come back and edit anything in the future. So this is always an option to put stats and edit them. But we have made an app that is this one here, so you can feel that this is an iPhone X in horizontal mode. I will make it bigger for you to see. And yeah, here you can have, as we said, unlimited leagues, teams or tournaments. Those are all the leagues that I have. And I will show you how it looks to add stats for them. So I will select this league, ABCB. So yeah, here you select the league, you select the season, and here you select here you see all the games that I have for this season. So I have a game that is 0-0. I want to show you how this game updates in real time. So I'm gonna open this game in another tab. I think it's the season 18. Okay, so I have this game here, February 19. Let me see here. Yeah, February 19. Okay, it's this one here. So yes, we see it right now. Here is 0-0, and nothing has been tracked. So there is all the values are at 0, and the players, everything is at 0. So from this app, we can have somebody right on the court taking stats. So with an iPhone or an iPad or on any Android device, this app can be downloaded with your own profile, and you will see only your leagues, your teams and tournaments, and you will be able to track stats for your games. So this is the first screen that you will see, where the options that you have to start with is the lineup. So you click there, and you will select which players are gonna start playing from the start. So let's say we're gonna play 3-3. I'm gonna select 3 players, and now we are able to start. So now that we have players inside, we're able to click start and start tracking stats. Okay, let's do it. And now we have seen that the values have become available, and we can now start tracking any stats. We also see that the timer starts. So at the end of the game, we will see how long each game took and how long each player played. So yeah, we'll be able to see which was the player that played the most at the end of the season and things like this. So let's start tracking stats. Let's put 3 points for Madrid. And now we go to the website, and it already updated in real time. Like we already have a 3 points. Let's add more values, like 2 points for Barcelona. Let's put a steal. As you can see, it's very quick. Like you can be on the game, taking stats, everything works quite fast. So yeah, right now we have a 6-5 and all these stats. We can go back to the game and a 6-5. And we can see already that we have some values, some stats. We can see the players. And there is, Turu Flores is the one with the most points. And all this experience is working in real time from both the app and the website. And the most important is that since you get your own custom app and your fans, players, parents, everybody gets your own app, the moment that you click start and finish, we send a push notification to all those devices, and they can click on it and see the game live from their devices. So nobody misses a game. They can be in the court, they can be at work, they can be traveling. All the fans, I mean, if their parent is at work and his kid is playing, he can still be able to see everything from his phone. So yeah, we can pause the game, we can continue it through the game. We can make substitutions, we can change the players, we can make any change that we want, and we can continue the game. Everything is gonna be updated automatically. Let's say that the game is finished, we click finish, and that's it. We send a push notification, and the moment that we click on finish, we calculate all the standings for the teams, and we calculate the averages, percentages, and the total values for the players for the season. And yeah, with this we conclude the option to use the app. So this app is available for both iOS and Android under the name Wooter Stats on the App Store, Wooter Stats Tracker. And yeah, those are the 2 ways to track stats. Let's continue now with the whole dashboard. The other option we have is to add photos. So we can upload photos directly from here, or we can link our Instagram, and then all the photos that we will upload on Instagram, they will be shown directly in our profile. And the same thing for videos. So yeah, once that we have all our data, all the teams, players, all the games, and all the stats, all the calculations are being done automatically by the platform. So you don't need to care about that. We have the photos and videos. We can go and see how it looks in our league, in our website. So this is how it looks for the users to see the league. This is what they will see. Here they will see on the first tab, they will see the scores, which is basically the calendar. They will see all the weeks that they have games, and for each week, they will see all the games. So for this game, we can go inside, and it looks pretty much what we were seeing on the other tab. Like this is the result, this is all the stats for the teams. Those are the player stats for both teams. Then we have the rankings for the players. So you can see all the players here. You can rank by any type of stat, like rebounds, points. It will automatically rank. Then we can see the player profiles. So the player profiles, as it is their own account, they will be able to set all this information by themselves. They will be able to put a photo for the profile picture. Here we will be able to see the last game stats and their season averages, plus their rankings, so they can see how they rank themselves in this season in particular. Then we have the teams. So the teams is basically the standings, and the standings are being calculated the same way as the NBA does it for basketball. So it's based on the games behind. But as I said, everything changes by the sport. Like for example, with soccer, it will be totally different. It will be based on points, where one win is 3 points, and one draw is 1 point, and a loss is basically 0 points. So there will be no percentage, no games behind. Then for football, flag football, all these sports, it will be everything based on their own rules. Again, the teams get the profiles, so we can see their last game stats, their averages. We can see the player stats. So from here we can see all the players that play in this team in particular. And now we have some social tools like the chat, from where everybody can chat and interact. So yeah, this chat is wide for all the league, so everybody can comment. But apart from this, we have some private chats where people can talk privately from within this app, from within the app. And we have the media, and here we can see all the photos and videos that you have uploaded or that your users have uploaded through the app, plus the one that you have connected with Instagram. And here the experience is pretty much like Facebook or Instagram, where you can put likes, comments, and you can share it. So yeah, that's similar experience as what those companies do. Yeah, with this we conclude the league website. We will make as many websites like this for all your leagues, teams, and tournaments. And from here you will be able to change the season. And now I'm gonna show you how it looks on the mobile app. So I showed you before the stats app. This is something separate, and this is the main app that you get. So yeah, for us, so I would like you to understand that you will get your own custom app in Google. I mean, for Apple and Android. So if you go to Google and you type, for example, Branson League iOS. So yeah, here you see that on the top, this is your league. So this is your own app. You click there and you see that on the App Store, there is an app with your logo and with your name. That even this can be changed and do it for your own organization. Like actually we cannot make more apps under our name. So all these apps need to be done through the customers. So the customers need to subscribe and enroll into the Apple Developer Program. And from there, here you will have your name. And this will be the name of your app, whatever you want to call it. And the logo. And the same thing is for Android. So it's not that you use a Wooter app. It's that we make you your own app. And everything looks the way you want it to look. And this is the app. This is how it looks. Again, this is, imagine we have an iPhone. And it's looking like in vertical mode. I'm gonna make it bigger. And yeah, once you log in, I'm gonna put this here. Yeah. Okay, now we have the ability to get this information from the server. And yes, this is the way it looks on the phone. So here is basically a mirror from the website. So here we can see all the weeks, we can see the games. So for each game, we see the results, we see the team stats for each game. We see the player stats for both teams for this game. Then we have the media, that this is everything that we uploaded from the management. Or as you see here, the users of this app, they can also as well upload photos and videos. But if you would like, you can remove this option. So only you upload photos. That's a permission that we offer. Then teams is the standings. So same thing as on the website. Teams get their profiles, the stats, last game, season averages, players that play in this team in particular, all the numbers, all the stats. Then we get the players. So players are basically rankings. So right now we have everything ranked by points, by teams. Players get their profiles. So here we see with Jackson, you can see all the information that he set in his profile. We can see their averages, so his totals, his percentage. Here we can see some charts of how he performed on the last games. And here we see the last game's stats. And this is interactive, so you can change to 3 points, and this will change. Free throws. All the information changes. and they can upload photos to their profiles, like videos, photos, anything they can upload to their profiles as well. And this, as we said, we can filter by one team, and we only see players of one team. And finally, we have the chat. So the chat is the same thing as on the website. And we send push notifications to the phone the moment that there is a chat sent or a photo uploaded. And actually, when the games are created, we also send a push notification to the players and an email notifying them when they will have the game. And 2 hours before the game, we also send a reminder. So that's right. I mean, this is already automatically done. So this is the 5 tabs that we have, and you can have as many leagues and teams or tournaments on the side. Like right here, you can show them all those that you have. And this is the private chat. On the language, right now we support the platform in English, Spanish, and French. And upcoming is gonna be Chinese and Russian. Then the fan shop is a fan shop that we make directly from our own Wooter apparel. So you can see how it looks, one of our customer shops. Yeah, so all those shops are shops that we have for our customers, and we can make it for you. Like we can make a full design for your clothes. We just need your logo and what designs you want to have, and we can make this for you. Like any shop that you want to have, we can make for you, and you can sell apparel through us. So this is this website that you will have here will be the one linked from your app. So your fans and players can continually be buying your apparel from the app. And yes, then there is like settings, notifications, basic features. So the interesting thing of this app, since we said that this is your own app, are the ways that you can customize it at any time. So for example, let's say that we want to change the color to blue, and we want to remove the chat because for some reason you don't want to have the chat on your app. So you can come to your dashboard app, you change the color, let's say to blue, and we remove the chat. Yeah, and this is some tools that you have to make money with your app. So yeah, every day we will send you an email from where you will see all the numbers. Like you will see how many sessions both your website and your app had, how many unique users, how much content was created, so how many chat messages, how many photos and videos were uploaded, how many games were created, how many stats, how many players, how many teams. All this information we will send you to your email, so you can actually sell this information to your sponsors that you may have, and you might be able to monetize this app by adding banners. So you will be able to add banners from these sponsors, and here you select on which tabs you want to show it. So yeah, this is another option that you want to have. And in case that you have many yeah, we refresh it. And yeah, now the app is in blue, and there is no chat anymore. So yeah, that's the thing that you get with the app. Like it's your own app, you customize it the way you want it, and it's always live. So yeah, let's put this back as it was. And now I will show you the website. So as we said, you get the whole scheduling, the whole managing platform, all the website and the app. And the website, this is how it would look. So this is also comes right out of the box with the premium package. You get a website like this. So you will be able to see all the registration, links to the App Store, to the fan shop, a section with the news, contact us, and the Play Store links. On top, you will have all the games. And here you can have like articles. This will be like one big feature article that you can have, links to your shop, and links to download your own apps. From here you will see more articles and videos from your organization. So yeah, this is one example, and here you will have all the social media. Another example would be this. So yeah, this is an organization from Texas. On the top you will have all the games, You can filter by organization, like from basketball, volleyball, any type of sport. You will have the links to your app store for both iOS and Android, and the links to your shop. So yeah, this is the website that we do. And as you see, you can put your own domain, and you don't need to host anything. Like all the information and all the values are already stored in our servers, so you don't need to care about the technical solutions. And our technical solution is pretty safe. Like everything is stored on Amazon, so yeah, everything is stored there. It's very unlikely that Amazon will drop, so all the information is always live. Yeah, now finally I will show you how you can get this package. We have 3 options. So at the beginning you can sign up. You can right away go to sign up, and you will have like 1 month of trial where you will be able to manage your team, your league, your tournament, put the stats, create games, upload photos, and everything. You will be able to see it from your website. After that, if you would like to continue with this, you will need to, this is the package that we get. And for the situation that you want to get your own custom app for iOS and Android, that will be inside the premium package. So the premium package is where we make you the app on the App Store, like this one, plus we make you the website like this. So this website and this app, like this one here, all this comes with the premium package. That's the package here, this subscription. And those are the 2 options that we have. Either $99 a month or $7.99 a year. In this package as well, you get the analytic emails that I was talking about before, plus 10% off apparel discount. So if you go to Wooter Apparel, here you will see that we make apparel for basically any sport. It's fully customizable, and there is a turnaround between 2 and 3 weeks, depending either if it's rush or standard. So if you would like to get apparel for your team or league, and you have the premium package, you will get a 10% discount. And what I told at the end is that we will make a shop from all this apparel that we have made for you, and you would make 15% commission out of each order. And finally, we get the custom package that includes everything on premium. Plus, here you would like to have, if you would like to have any kind of special development, we can do it for you, and we will quote you how much it would cost us to make. So we will tell you, okay, in case that you want to have this special feature, this will be the price, and we will give you like a deadline. So it will be done like in 1 week, in 2 weeks, so a certain deadline. So you will be able to decide whether that it makes sense for you to do it with us or not. Yeah, I mean, any website, any questions you may have, any inquiry, you can always send me an email. My email is carlos@wooter.co. I will put all the information as well here on the video, so you have the option to do it. And as I said, you have the option to go right now and sign up for free. And after this month, for free, you will be able to select the plan. And in case that you want to start right away with an app and a website, you will always need to start right away from the premium package. I hope this video was informative, and that you will be able to get all the information that you didn't get on the website. But yeah, I mean, I will recommend to go through our website as well, through all the features pages. There is a lot of interesting information there. Yeah, I hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Thank you.